Number 3, if f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x squared and x is less than 0, for what value of x is f of x is equal to 0? Okay, it is given that f of x is equal to 0, right? And x is less than 0. So what we have to do is we have to substitute 0 for f of x and so for x, right? So 0 is equal to 3 minus 2x squared. So 2x squared is equal to 3. X squared is 3 over 2. X is then plus or minus square root 3 over 2, right? Remember, when we remove squares in the process of solving an equation, we always get plus and minus here, right? Now, if we rationalize this square root by multiplying square root of 2 here and here, then that's going to be equal to plus or minus square root of 6 over 2. And since x is negative, the answer x is equal to negative square root of 6 over 2.